data set which contain 4,177 records, 9 attribute. Dataset comes from UCL machine learning. Responsibility has no header row. Age of Avalon, a type of main shellfish found the ocean water. Abalone are competitively harvested and determine their age traditionally required cutting. So no missing value in this data set. Two record were highly equal 0, and the clean data set after the final data set 4,175 clean records. So model section and training. For this dataset, I selected linear regression into the machine learning. So the numeric were like a ring continuous and numeric where immediately tells us the regression problem, not classification problem. Second, the function are all physical measurement are cells temporary with abalone age. A large Herving cell will the level encoded the sex column female before training a level record the sex column and the stack after the weight the meat so new record and result to the test train model I created two new hypothetical Avalon record with realistic activate value that fall within observed range of the dataset record. I repeated adult male along Avalon with moderate to largest physical measurement, a length of 0.55 whole right to 0.85 germs. The shell weight 0.25 grams to record represent the similar adult female which consider similar measurement. The model predicted 10.37 rings, the prediction age 11.87 years. For the record 2, the model prediction 8.63 range. The year is 8 point approximately year 10,000 10 year 10.13 years. Both of the fall comfortably within a realistic range. Okay, the R score on the test set was 0.5571 machine. The model explained 55.7% the variance in the ring. The RMSE was 2.25 rings. Machine learning average prediction across fails was 0.3221 and the standard deviation of 0.2056. Okay. Part 4 Adult Salary Dataset EDA. For Part 4 adult salary dataset for the United States. Their data record is 842 records, 15 attribute greater than 50,000 and less than equal 50,000. Okay, this is a binary classification. Okay, the dataset does not use standard NaN for missing value, question mark character. Okay, the processing and model selection. The processing and model selection the processing of this dataset requires 6 distinct steps remove the flag column script white space replace and fix the training period of income value label encode all 8 categories column apply standard scalar and logistic regression and new record and result. Okay, so the model will record earning $50,000 or less and earning more than $50,000 high probability 9.4 94.9 and the less 50K less, the earning 50K or less within 40